Welcome to the product module training. In this session, we'll walk you through how to add and manage product details in the system. Let's get started. To begin, click the product button or select product from the main menu. This will open the product screen, where you can view all existing products. On this screen, you'll notice several options. You can add, modify, delete, add to print, and even search by barcode. Let's start by adding a new product. Click on the Add button. The Product Add screen will open. Here, you can either create a new product ID, which the system can generate automatically, or enter your own unique code. Next, enter the product name for your reference. Then, type in a description. Whatever you enter here will appear on the customer's receipt. Now, select the category, subcategory, and brand from the drop-down menus. Choose the appropriate VAT percentage from the list. Next, you'll see a checkbox for hot product. Tick this option if you want the item to appear on the till screen, or if it's an item without a barcode. If it's a weighing product, such as fruits or vegetables, tick the weighing product box. This allows the integrated scale to read the item's weight. Once that's done, click on the Pricing and Barcode tab at the top. In the Barcode section, click inside the barcode box and scan your product barcode. Remember, a product can have multiple barcodes, or the system can generate one automatically. Next, enter the cost price. You can type in either the price excluding VAT or including VAT. The system will calculate the other automatically. Set the quantity to 1 and enter the price including VAT. In the product pricing section, add the item's selling price. You can also upload an image for the product. This image will appear on the hotkey button on the till screen. If your business uses customer type pricing, you can assign different prices for different customer types here. If you'd like to print labels for this item, click Add to Print Queue. This adds the item to the print queue so you can print the labels whenever needed. Once everything looks good, click Save. After saving, you can add or update stock. Click Update Stock. Select the location, enter the stock quantity, choose a reason for the stock update, and then click Confirm to add it. Finally, click Save again. To find an item later, click on the Search button. In the search screen, you can look up products by code, name, category, or barcode. Enter your search text, and the results will appear below. Select the item you want to view or modify, and click Select. Then click Modify to make any changes like updating the name, description, VAT, or prices. You can also tick or untick hot product, update stock, or add or remove barcodes. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. You can also search directly from the product screen. Just scan the item's barcode, and the product details will appear instantly. And that's it. You've now learned how to add, edit, and manage products in the product module. Thank you for taking the time to complete this session.
Seamless integrations that save you time and money, connecting with your sales, accounting, and delivery apps. We provide stunning websites and e-commerce solutions tailored for your business. We supply top brand POS accessories, reliable, high-quality hardware your business can trust.